This 2026 Jayco J Flight SLX 265 MWS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco J Flight SLX 265 MWS is 5,885 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.